Welcome to this update. Let's check the severe weather. So they just put out an enhanced risk earlier today for severe weather from Texas to Florida. So tornado 5% and a 2% all the way from central Florida to southern Missouri. Wind threat is the biggest, 30% hatched in the south in those areas, Texas, Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and hail hatched 30% in Texas and hatched 15% in Louisiana too. Severe thunderstorms expected today from central and east Texas across the Gulf Coast states. The potential exists for multiple corridors, significant wind gusts, very large hail, and a few tornadoes. So please be aware today. Please be careful with the storms. Let's just check the HER here to have ideas on stuff. So, southeast US. Later we'll check central Texas. Let's see the southeast now. So, let's see. So today there we have those storms there in southern Alabama and the Florida Panhandle now, and they will keep advancing. There's already a tornado watch there, so those storms will keep going, and then it shows here that most of them will enter the Gulf of Mexico, but there will still be some storms over Florida there, and more will enter Florida there, and the rest of this run is not available yet. So in Louisiana there some storms, but most storms will arrive later in Louisiana there. So around 23Z, many storms there in Louisiana, and by Tuesday too, still some storms there. They can have some damaging winds. So let's see the central Texas there. So we have some storms now. They are forming there in south central Texas. They have a severe thunderstorm watch there, and might get upgraded later, so they'll keep going. Show some pretty strong cells, very large hail possible there, and then they form more of a line there and go towards the Gulf. So this will impact the coast of Texas too, but they will be lighter in the coast, but still strong. So be careful. And even they get to southern Texas, some strong ones too, even northernmost Mexico there. So southern Texas, by the end of this run, it shows there in northern Mexico and southern Texas. And then the storms arriving in Louisiana by 20Z, and then they go there, some damaging winds, hail, and maybe a tornado or two. They have the 5% there, then they go to Mississippi there, and you see many swirling rain and thunderstorms in parts of Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma too. Those might be not severe, but it shows some strong thunderstorms there, so be careful in those areas in Arkansas too. So this is it, I think. Stay safe today. And let's see just rainfall stuff here, because this is the weather map for today. You can see what's happening there. Front, quantitative precipitation, lots of rain. This is just day one, so lots of rain there. Southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, northern Florida Panhandle. So please be careful with that rain. They have a moderate risk in those areas there. Moderate risk of flash flooding within 25 miles of a point. So very big. Please be careful there. They even have a slight risking from northeastern Kansas to Illinois there. So be aware too. Snowfall, nothing. Excessive rain. Yeah, so please be careful there. And let's check the high temperatures for today. It's already the middle of the day. They should already be very high, but let's see anyway. So day one, like 100 in parts of the southwest there, 90s in parts of Florida. Now day two, let's see, still some 90s in Florida, 87 in Miami, and 190s in parts of the southwest there. Now day three, they have Some 90s parts of the southwest in the northern Sacramento Valley too, and 90s in parts of Florida. And later we'll update you more. So let's see the severe weather for day 2. Just a marginal in the southeast, tornado 2%, wind and hail 2%. Isolated severe thunderstorms are possible for portions of the Tennessee Valley and southeast states into northern central Florida. So be aware. Day 3. Day 3 they have a marginal from southeast Colorado to Texas, in central Florida, another marginal, and a marginal in the Carolinas there. So be aware on day 3 too. Day 4 through 8, nothing as of now. So stay safe, thanks.